Alright, so do bear with me. This is the third time I'm filming this video due to some technical difficulties, so here we go. Today I'm reviewing the ITEL 20000mAh power bank. So on this power bank we have two USB type A outputs, one USB type C input and output, and another USB type C output only. Personally speaking, I don't see why we don't just have all power banks as USB type C inputs and outputs. Granted, they can also be USB type A. However, manufacturers nowadays ship out a product with USB type C either input or output, whether it be iPhones or Androids, and these are all current modern products. So a power bank not having a USB type C input does really seem like a disservice, especially when you still have to go out and buy additional cords just to use it when your device might have come with a cable, because moving forward I don't know if devices might even be coming with cables anymore. But that aside, the power bank is very good in terms of aesthetics. It has a really premium finish. The contrast of the matte black to dark black is very good in my opinion, and the best part is the subtlety in the colors. It's currently at 74%. It has a white to mint green and black finish on the center, which it really gives off a very retro, old school yet premium feeling. In terms of branding, it's really, with all pun intended, subtle, and you have to focus to even see it. And even at that, it's just very subtle and it's here. But the problem is that if you don't look for it, you will not see it, which is a very good thing. And I really like branding like that. In terms of quality, it really does exactly what it should do. It's currently at 74%, and I've used it to charge my phone in one full round and it's not gone down, which nowadays is a very good and not so expected things, because most companies tend to overpromise and underdeliver under the guise of marketing. But this just does exactly what it's supposed to do and what it says. It just charges your phone, and it surprisingly does it without dying completely, which nowadays you can find a 10,000 milliamp power bank that just does only 5,000 milliamp worth of work. But this is a 20,000 milliamp power bank that does exactly what it should do. It lasts, it's good, and it's not too big. It's literally, granted I can't use my hand because my hands are quite big, so I don't know the scale of metric for you. Point of reference could be it's significantly smaller than this, my brush, but it is really truly not too big. It's very pocket sized. It can fit in your pocket. Granted, it will slack your pocket a little, but it's really pocket sized. It gives a, aesthetically speaking, it gives a very premium vibe. And overall, will I recommend this power bank? Honestly, yeah, it really does what it should. It's not too over the top in terms of branding. It's subtle, it looks premium, and it does exactly what it needs to. So in essence, yeah, it's a good power bank, and personally I would recommend it. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below, and if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button down below, and have a great day. Take care.